So guys, we're gonna get the oil off. And what do we need for that? A container, how you call it? Plastic bag. Cleaned it so I can see what comes out. This for the oil plug. And we need a BMW 12 oil filter tool thing. So come on over, let's do it. Should be quick. First, knack. So it's a magnet plug. So first have a look. Oh, this looks good. Actually, just a bit of microscopic shavings. Wow, which is good. Get this one. A copper washer we're gonna renew. So, pop, pop, pop. Aww, aww. Looks great. Oil looks actually good. So, as you know by now, I always let the engine oil drip out for overnight. I am never in a hurry. So let it leak until it's fully empty. Every now and then I tilt the bike a bit. To see. I move the bike like this. Whoop. Oh, oops. Oops. And as you saw, more oil comes out, so we do it again. But now, see? So guys, we're gonna fill the beast with oil. And what do we need? Well, first of all, we need a new copper washer. And it's a big one. Wait a minute. Let's see. The copper washer, 24 mil. It's a huge one. So, before we screw it in, we already cleaned the drain plug, including the magnet. Then we need an oil filter. As you know by now, I always use high flow filter. Really, I don't get paid from the company. I wish I would. So high flow filter, if you're looking, please sponsor me. My son bought it It's the HF160 and he took the RC, stands for racing, but the only difference is that this one has a nut on top, welded on top. See, this is the thing. Oops. What I noticed when I got the old oil filter off, it hadn't any brand name, nothing onto it. So I think this is a really cheap one. But then, of course, we need oil. My favorite brand also, Castrol Power RS 10W40. It's half synthetic. I love the oil. Good oil. Now, first we're gonna give it a clean. Nice. Good weather, guys. That was nice. So, okay. It is Torx 55. Better put my waste bin, oil waste bin, out of the way. Would it be the first time drop something in? Okay. This body needs to be torqued with, let's have a look at the list, 40 Newton meters. So take this one, even kijken. Oh, already there. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's one torqued. And then we have the oil filter. Always lubricate the rubber ring. So, then don't forget to give this a clean too. Yes, always be sure that it's nicely cleaned. So, and then we easily screw it on. Hop. The oil filter needs to be torqued at 11 Newton meters. So, I have my small one. Let's see, it's over here. Then, oh, this one, the old one up. Oh, and then this one. Now let's see. This is 17. Up. Up, yes, and ladies and gentlemen, it's torqued. Up, up. Gonna fill it up with oil. Just get the dipstick out. Give it a good clean. Clean this one too. better. Up. Okay. It says Rotax. This is a Rotax engine. I'm gonna take a funnel. Always give it a really good clean. So, what I always do, watch, put it in here, and then I take a screwdriver. Hop. So, hoppa. Now I'm sure it's absolutely clean. Okay. Now, have a look. Okay. Clean it. Yeah. Never screw it in. Always, when you're measuring the oil level, be sure it's leveled. So there. Leave it for a second. Then pull it out, and it's just over halfway. So I'm gonna do a bit and then start the engine up. Okay, now let's have a look. Looky look. This one is now clean. It's a bit. Oh yeah, there. Leave it in for just a tiny second, and it's now almost at max. I'm gonna put a little bit more because the engine is totally empty. It's been here for a week, more than a week. And all this time it was draining. So I'm gonna put up. And wait for a moment. Then slide it. It's a bit here. So now we're going to screw it in. Not too tight. And then I'm going to start the engine, let it run for a moment, and then see where the oil levels out. Now, we wait for a while. Let's see where the oil has settled for now. kijken. It's all the way down. So now we're gonna put some more oil into it. Just see how it settles. Now uit de weg. There. Oh. And then oh. Now we're gonna warm it up till operating temperature. Hoppa. So now we're gonna wait. The engine is nicely warm. A tiny bit more. Een slokje more, dan is het goed. Now, let's see levels. Oh, wait a moment. Look exactly what's exactly on the max level. So. So guys, there was my video about doing an oil change and an oil filter change on a BMW F800GT. Was it easy? Absolute. Can you do it? I'm absolutely sure. With my video and the right tools, of course oil and an oil filter, you can do it yourself and save a lot of money. The only thing I have to say now is, I hope you liked my video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. That's what all the YouTubers say, eh? Thumbs up, thumbs up. So, thumbs up. And for now, old mechanic out.